section my hair into 7 parts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to make this tutorial. So let's get started. Let me tangle my hair. So we are starting this tutorial. I'm going to grab what? A portion, a section of what? My hair. This is the section. So this is the beginning of what? My hair. If you are hot and beginner, this is what you are going to do. Section my hair. So I'm going to use my index finger to pick up what? Hair. So I'm dividing this hair into 3, using my index finger to pass through what? The hair. I braid the front part 3 times before I pick what? Hair. Now I'm going to pick hair with my index finger. I'm picking up hairs with my index finger. Don't take too much hair. Pick it gradually by gradually. With your index finger, you pick and pull so that you hold it with your index finger and your thumb finger. I'm doing it slowly so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm braiding it to the back of my hair. I don't know what is going on at my back. Only you can tell.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I sell them my devotion and show them my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I find a rainbow in the shade.
much for watching this video. See you on my next video. Bye.